chapter, Study on Body Formation and Actions, Module, Dancing Pose. Welcome back, friends. Let us now learn to draw a figure in a dancing pose. First, we have to form basic structure using line of action. I have started with an oval head, then a curved line going down, and the shoulder line. Next, we draw the arms and the hands. Observe what I am doing. These lines are the line of action. For any sketch, you would need to be clear with the line of action. The basic layout is almost complete. Now, let's understand the position of the torso. As you see, the torso is bending this way. These two lines extending from the torso shows the direction the torso is bending. We will now construct all the body parts. Let's first draw the torso on the figure. Later, you need to draw the hairline, mark the eyes. In between, you may pause the video. Draw the arms and legs in a cylindrical shape. That way, you can easily achieve the desired result. While drawing the arms, keep in mind that the joints, like the elbow and the wrist, would be narrower. Define the torso carefully. As it is a dancing pose, the torso is bent at an angle. Form the legs using the same technique as used for the arms. Keep in mind that the joints, like knee and the ankle, would be thinner than the rest of the leg. Let's draw the costume on this figure. We will begin from the upper body. Follow my hand movements. Observe how we use that line of action to sketch the outfit. You could give some detailing to the costume. A lot can be achieved with imagination here. The design of the outfit can be according to your imagination. I have drawn a traditional outfit. Hope you enjoyed making this sketch. We learned to draw another pose in the next module. View this video multiple times. Practice several times to be thorough with the concepts. Thank you.